Hello and welcome back. In this session, I created a new CrackMe called CrackMe 13, and this CrackMe combines three features: packing, anti-debugging, as well as software serial key requirement. So this is what the interface looks like when you run it. You're supposed to try to unpack this or create a loader, or defeat the anti-debugging protection, and also to crack the serial number key or to patch it. So let's download this now by clicking on the download link here and followed by the download button here over here. So just open the folder, the download folder, cut it and put it in the CrackMe's folder, and then unzip it. The password is crackinglessons.com. Now that we have unzipped it, we can delete the zip file, and you will find a new folder called CrackMe 13 packed. Let us rename this. Put the prefix 14 dash followed by the rest of the folder name. Let's open it. So now you have a CrackMe 13 packed exe. If you run it, you will see this. And if you enter a serial key, anything, and click on button check, it tells you it's a wrong serial key. So your task now is this tree here, the instructions. So give this a try. Use all the things that you have learned so far and try to unpack or create loader and try to defeat the anti-debugging and also to crack the serial key or patch it. So give it a try, and if you, after having tried it, you can look at the solution in the next video lesson. Thank you very much for watching. See you then. Good luck.